We will get back to electrochemical cell again after conductance. Some extra topics are there. थोड़े extra topics भी हैं वो हम लास्ट में करेंगे. Less important they are. Like types of half cells, thermochemical, thermodynamics of electrochemistry, that we'll do at last. Batteries you have to do by your own. Process of decomposition of an electrolyte. By the passage of electricity through its solution. Or molten state. Process of decomposition of an electrolyte by the passage of electricity through its solution or molten state. So if you have if you have an aqueous solution of an electrolyte, if you pass electricity into it, it will get decomposed into two ions. If you have an electrolyte, let it be AB. If you passed electricity into it, it will decompose into ions. Cation will get reduced or oxidized. 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 A plus want to get neutralized, so it will get reduced. Anion will get reduced or oxidized. Why it will lose electron? It will gain electron. If something is in positive charge, it will gain electron. If something is in negative charge, it will lose electron. Pratyusha. From AB to A plus, it will lose electron. Deepika, we are talking about this first thing. If you say this, then A was +1 and -1 here as well. ये तो same ही चीज है. Ions will get discharged. Ions formed on electrolysis will get discharged at different electrodes. Called product of electrolysis. Product of electrolysis. Called product of electrolysis. These are the product of electrolysis. These are the product of electrolysis. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? All of you? Any doubt till here? So whatever electrolyte you have, it will first decompose into two ions. For one will be cation, one will be anion. Cation will also get discharged, anion will also get discharged. Cation will get discharged through reduction, anion will get discharged through oxidation. Which electrode it will be, cathode or anode? जिस पर रिडक्शन हो रहा है कौन सी इलेक्ट्रोड होगी? रिडक्शन कौन सी इलेक्ट्रोड पर होता है? If cations are moving towards cathode, what should be the charge on cathode? If cations are moving towards cathode, what should be the charge on cathode? Pratyusha, I'm coming to that only. If cations are coming towards cathode, what should be the charge on cathode? If cations are moving towards cathode, what should be the charge on cathode? It will be negatively charged, will be positively charged. This is opposite, Pratyusha. ये opposite है. Reduction will always occur at cathode only. Just the charge of electrodes are different. And I gave you reason as well. Understood? Understood? So we will read here two types: qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis. First, we'll do qualitative analysis. Here we'll read what will produce. क्या मिलेगा वो हम क्वालिटेटिव में पढ़ेंगे. कितनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देनी पड़ेगी वो हम क्वांटिटेटिव में पढ़ेंगे. What will be produced at different electrode, that we'll read in qualitative. How much electricity is required, that we'll read in quantitative. Understood? salt or electrolyte can be in molten state or in aqueous solution. Molten state or in aqueous solution. Molten state or in aqueous solution. For example, if you have NaCl, molten state, except Na and Cl, we do not have any other ion. Except Na and Cl, we do not have any other ion. So cation will get reduced. Cathode, anion will get oxidized. Anode. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? If we have PbCl2 molten, what we will get at cathode and anode? What we will get at cathode and anode? Pb+2 नहीं मिलेगा यार, Pb+2 रिड्यूस होगा. Deepika, electrodes पे we won't be having ions, we will be having substances. Cathode, anode. Okay, Deepika. So if it is a molten state, then it is very simple, very easy. If the question is on molten state, it's very easy. If electrolyte is present in aqueous solution, then water is also present with the ions. Water can also get reduced or oxidized. Understood? अगर आपके पास aqueous solution है, then water can also get oxidized or reduced. Not only the cation you are having, tendency of cation to get discharge. Tendency of cation to get discharge. Tendency of cation to get discharge. Which has more tendency for reduction? डिस्चार्ज का मतलब चार्ज खत्म करना. Which has more tendency for reduction? Which has more tendency for reduction? Which one has more tendency for reduction? Cu2 plus. Are they all? कैसे प्रत्युषा? These are their SRP value, standard reduction potential value. More SRP, more tendency for reduction. More SRP, more tendency for reduction. Are they also getting discharge? With reduction, are they getting discharge? Pratyusha, all concepts are same. Just the charge of electrodes are different. Or opposite you can say. बाकी सब same है. More SRP, more tendency to get reduced. Which has more tendency to get discharge? Tendency to get discharge is directly proportional to SRP value. For cation. Tendency to get discharge is directly proportional to SRP value for cation. For anion, directly proportional to SOP value or inversely proportional to SRP value. Okay, Vedant. Any doubt till here? Tendency to get discharge. Tendency to get discharge. Tendency to get discharge. Any doubt till here? For cation. For anion. Cl कहाँ है? It's Al. Yes, after Al it's Mg. Any doubt till here? For anions. Any doubt till here? If the values are given, then you can do better one. Any problem till here? After H2O, aluminium is there. Aluminium, magnesium. Chloride, hydroxide, sulfate. Mg, then aluminium. Bromide ion after Cl minus. Sorry, I minus. This chloride will be better. ये chloride को better कर लो. Chloride is better. When we'll do the question, you will get it. Chloride is better. Understood? Iodide, bromide, chloride, water, OH minus, sulfate. Discharge potential. Discharge potential. Amount of electricity required to discharge an ion. Amount of electricity required to discharge an ion. Amount of electricity required is to discharge an ion. The ion which has more tendency to get discharged will require less electricity. The ion which has more tendency to get discharged will have low discharge potential, right? So discharge potential discharge potential discharge potential is inversely proportional to SRP for metal, SOP for non-metal. Read it and tell me. Any doubt till here? I said more discharge potential. That is more electricity required to get discharge. That means ion must be having very less tendency to get discharge. अगर उसकी टेंडेंसी कम है तो हमें ज्यादा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देनी पड़ेगी. अगर उसकी टेंडेंसी ज्यादा है तो हमें कम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी देनी पड़ेगी. And I have given you the order for tendencies. Any doubt till here? The reduction of water, oxidation of water. If water get reduced, Vedant, because non-metals are anions, they are getting oxidized. So their tendency for oxidation will be related to standard oxidation potential. But cations are positively charged. They are getting reduced. So we want their tendency for reduction. Whenever required and if are given, we can do it. Pratyusha, whenever required, we can do it. So tell me, if water is getting reduced, what you will get at cathode? अगर water reduce होगा तो आपको cathode पर क्या मिलेगा? If water is getting reduced, what you will get at cathode? H2 you will get at cathode. If water is getting oxidized, O2 you will get at anode. Understood? All of you done till here? एक काम करो, आप यहां से पढ़ लो एक बार from here. From qualitative analysis एक बार पूरा पढ़ लो जल्दी से. Done? All of you have read it? When it's cathode means negative. So positive H plus will be go to cathode. Pratyusha, H plus is going. What we are getting at cathode वो हम पूछ रहे हैं. कौन जा रहा है ये नहीं पूछ रहे हैं. प्रोडक्ट में हमें क्या मिल रहा है that we are talking about. At last what you will get, that we are talking about. H plus is going definitely, but when it's going it is getting reduced and getting converted to H2. Okay, any other doubt to anyone? Any other doubt to anyone? Now see, if we have NaCl aqueous solution, please give attention here. If we have NaCl aqueous solution, we have Na plus and water, which will get reduced. Among Na plus and water, which one has more tendency? Na plus और water में ज्यादा tendency किसकी है? Among Na plus or water, which has more tendency? Water has more tendency. So water will get reduced to give H2 plus OH minus. So you will get water at cathode, sorry, H2 at cathode. H2 at cathode. Cl minus or water, which has more tendency? Cl and water, which has more tendency? Cl has more tendency than water. That means Cl2 will get oxidized. So Cl2 at anode. So your product of electrolysis will be 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 H2Cl2, anode, cathode. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Any problem to anyone in this? Next part is very much easy, very much easy. ये आ जाता है तो वो तो आ ही जाएगा. Can we tell product of electrolysis? Can we tell product of electrolysis? Among Cu and water, which is more? Among Cu and water, which has more tendency? Cu has more tendency. Among Cl and water, Cl has more tendency. तो आपके प्रोडक्ट क्या बन गए? Product of electrolysis. Any problem to anyone in this? No. Any problem to anyone in this? No. Dilute H2SO4. What will be the product of electrolysis? Dilute H2SO4. Dilute H2SO4. What are the product of electrolysis? Pratyusha. Deepika, we are not interested in that. We are interested in products. Pratyusha, see the series again. Among H plus and water, which has more tendency? Very good, Sia. Among H plus and water, which has more tendency? Among sulfate and water, which has more tendency? Concentration of H plus from solution is decreasing, so pH will increase. Concentration of H plus from solution is decreasing, so pH will increase. Concentration of H plus from solution is decreasing, so pH will increase. Understood? Any problem to anyone in product of electrolysis? Understood, Pratyusha? Aqueous copper sulfate. Aqueous copper sulfate. Aluminium chloride molten. Magnesium bromide molten. Magnesium chloride aqueous. Tell me directly the products. Next, Pratyusha. Okay, Maya, it's BR2. Maybe by mistake. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? If concentrated H2SO4 solution is taken, then sulfate will have more tendency than water because we do not have water only. Concentrated का मतलब water बहुत कम हो गया है. So sulfate only will get oxidized. If very dilute solution of NaCl if very dilute solution of NaCl then water will have more tendency than chlorine. Any doubt till here? That means concentration of solution also affects product of electrolysis. Concentration of solution also affects product of electrolysis. Any doubt to anyone till here? इसका मतलब if you take concentrate, what if we take variable solution of MgBr2? Yes, if the concentration of water will increase, then H2O will have more tendency to get reduced, sorry, oxidize. ठीक है, they will specifically mention that very dilute solution. अगर वो लिख रहे हैं very dilute solution, they want you to reduce water thing or oxidize water thing. They will specify that very dilute solution. जब very dilute solution लिखा होगा तभी water को oxidize करना है. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? Nature of electrode. if instead of inert electrode mercury electrode is used, if instead of inert electrode mercury electrode is used, if instead of inert electrode mercury electrode is used, hello, am I audible? AlCl3. If it is concentrated, then definitely aluminum will be there and H2 will be there and Cl2 will be there. Concentrated we have already discussed, na? Kimaya. Why you have this doubt? Water is better than chlorine. Sorry, water is better than aluminium. And water will be better than chlorine also. In dilute, this is concentrated. If you have concentrated AlCl3, water is better than aluminium and chlorine is better than water, you will get H2 and Cl2. Kimaya.
So,
Yes.
so then that first point that you gave,
Yes.
in that H2SO4 is generally it is less reactive than H2O. The tendency is less, no?
Sulfate, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So even in this, Al has less tendency than H2O. But if it is concentrated, then won't it be
See,
reversed?
there we were talking about anion, first thing. Here you are talking about cation.
Hmm.
Okay. Second thing, these are not like we can predict the things. ये ऐसा क्या है ना, ये Nernst equation से solve कर करके values निकाली गई हैं. Nernst equation says that electrode potential will depend upon concentration as well. Okay.
Okay.
तो Nernst equation से solve करके सल्फेट के लिए बताया गया है. So you have to remember for that only.
Okay.
ठीक है, नहीं तो आपको हर एक वैल्यू के लिए सॉल्व करके देखना पड़ेगा. आप कर सकते हो लेकिन उसमें टाइम बहुत जाएगा. जैसे मैंने स्पेसिफिकली बताया कि कॉन्सेंट्रेशन शुड बी लेस देन 10⁻³ तो वो हमने न्यूमेरिकली सॉल्व करके देखा है कि अगर हम कॉन्सेंट्रेशन 10⁻³ से नीचे ले जाते हैं देन O2 विल हैव मोर टेंडेंसी देन Cl, मतलब वाटर विल हैव मोर टेंडेंसी देन Cl. तो सॉल्व आप सबके लिए कर सकते हो लेकिन जो मैं बता रहा हूं आपको वही याद रखना है.
ओके सर.
अंडरस्टूड? क्योंकि ना बहुत ज्यादा डेटा हो जाएगा नहीं तो.
यस सर.
ठीक है.
बट
इट विल डिपेंड अपॉन कॉन्सेंट्रेशन ऑल्सो. इट विल ऑल्सो डिपेंड अपॉन इट्स वैल्यू. उसकी वैल्यू कितनी है, फिर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन का क्या इफेक्ट पड़ रहा है. तो एक चीज के ऊपर हम रिलाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
यस सर. थैंक यू सर.
सो इसको अपन हटा देते हैं अभी. So when I gave the effect of concentration, I gave two questions. You have to remember them only. If instead of inert electrode, platinum electrode is used, inert electrode platinum, mercury is used, then In aqueous NaCl, sodium will be produced at cathode and chlorine at anode. Sodium will be produced at cathode and chlorine at anode. Why? Because mercury has tendency to form amalgam with metal. So its discharge potential decreases. So we have to remember this. अगर mercury दिया है आपको, they want you to reduce metal only. नहीं तो आपको mercury देते ही नहीं. If mercury is given in electrode, for example, it is given AgCl is reduced with mercury electrode, या फिर MgCl2 is reduced with mercury electrodes. You should know if mercury is given, we have to reduce metal only. We do not to look at water. Water की तरफ नहीं देखना है फिर. Understood, Kimaya? Deepika?
Yes, sir.
तो इफेक्ट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोड है ये. अगर मर्करी इलेक्ट्रोड दिया हुआ है क्वेश्चन में, ठीक है, बुक्स के अंदर यू विल गेट ओनली फॉर NaCl. So if question comes, it will come only for NaCl. You should know the reason as well. If same metal electrode is used, if same metal electrode is used, if same metal electrode is used, for example, CuSO4 with copper electrodes, CuSO4 with copper electrodes, then copper will get reduced, copper will only get oxidized. Copper will get reduced, copper will only get oxidized. Even for CuCl2. If same metal electrode is used. Any doubt in this? Cathode, anode, copper, copper. Any doubt in this? If same metal electrodes are used. Silver nitrate with silver electrodes. Silver nitrate with silver electrodes. Ag will get oxidized and Ag will get reduced. Any doubt till here? So just read it once. एक बार इसको पढ़ लो पूरा. From product of electrolysis एक बार इसको जल्दी से पढ़ लो. All of it done? Fast.
So,
Yes.
so can you just scroll up? I had one doubt. So no, down. The last part.
एक सेकंड में चार्ज ही खत्म हो गया 2 मिनट. Yes. Down. What do you want to ask?
So can I ask?
Yes, yes.
So just scroll down. That
Okay.
last part.
Down means this is the last part, right?
So wait. So screen is stuck for me.
Others can see the screen. Kimaya, can you see the screen now?
So I can only see the nature of electrode. I wanted that if same metal electrode is used, that part. Ah yes, now I can see so.
Yes, Kimaya, it's visible now.
Yes, sir, it's visible now.
Okay.
So my doubt was, as you said earlier, that at cathode and anode in this concept, uh, the atoms they tend to get neutral charges, right? I mean neutral.
Which
They tend to go in
at
neutral.
okay.
So over here at anode, Ag goes to Ag plus plus electrons. So at anode we should get Ag plus, right? That thing is confusing me.
Yes. See, what we are getting is you will get Ag plus here at anode,
Yes.
And here your Ag plus is getting reduced.
Yes.
So overall the concentration of Ag plus will remain same.
हाँ okay.
Whatever, ठीक है, जो भी Ag plus बनेगा वो फिर से reduce हो जाएगा.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes. And so why have you written this CuCl2?
I said same for CuCl2.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All of you understood this? You have to remember this here. Quantitative approach. Faraday's law of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electrolysis. Faraday's law of electrolysis. Amount of electricity passed is directly proportional to the weight of metal deposited, or you can say weight of substance deposited. Amount of electricity passed is directly proportional to the weight of substance deposited. This is first law of electrolysis. Charge, whatever electricity you are providing, is directly proportional to the mass that you are providing or depositing. Understood? Q can be written as I into T. This can be replaced by ZIT. It is proportionality constant, obviously. Its name is electrochemical equivalent. Electrochemical equivalent. Any doubt to anyone in this? If I put 1 ampere of current for 1 second, 1 ampere of current for 1 second, then IT becomes 1 coulomb. 1 ampere of current for 1 second, then IT becomes 1 coulomb. So Z is equals to weight deposited when 1 coulomb of charge provided. Any doubt to anyone till here? I into T is charge only, na? And charge is coulomb. Any doubt till here? Any doubt till here? यहां तक कोई डाउट? देखो, फॉर एग्जांपल हमारे पास कॉपर है Cu2+. How many electrons are required to neutralize it? How many electrons are required to neutralize it? 2. Very good. If I say this is 1 mole, this is 1 mole, then this will be 2 mole of electron. And 1 mole will have weight equal to molar mass. 1 मोल में मोलर मास के बराबर वेट होता है. एनी डाउट टिल हियर? One mole of electron have charge. 1 mole of electron have charge कितना? Vedant, I said we had Cu2+. If it get reduced, it will become copper. For that we require 2 electron. If we say this is 1 mole, then produced will also be 1 mole. And for that, the electron required will be 2 mole. That's it. Now 1 mole of electron have how much charge? एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज into total electron. So 1 mole of electron will have 1 Faraday of charge. Any doubt till here? 1 mole of electron will have 1 Faraday of charge. Any doubt till here? Tell me how much charge required and how much mass produced. How much charge required, how much mass produced? How much charge required, how much mass produced? I think here 3 Faraday will be required and 27 gram mass. Tell me for aluminium first. Are you getting it? एल्यूमिनियम के लिए कोमल mass will be molar mass. Yes, For 1 mole mass is molar mass, और मोलर मास भी आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन होगा. You didn't multiply properly, I think. आपका 1 0 कम लग रहा है मुझे. One Faraday 23, 2 Faraday 24, 1 Faraday 63.5, 2 Faraday 65.5, 1 Faraday 108, 1 Faraday, or you can say 2 Faraday 2 gram, 2 Faraday 71 gram. Yes. Okay, common. Any doubt till here? Very good, Deepika. Any doubt till here? Yes, it's 2 Faraday. Tusha. Any doubt? So can we write like this? Can we write like this? Can we also write 1 Faraday's molar mass divided by N? Can we also write 1 Faraday gives equivalent mass of substance? N Faraday gives molar mass of substance. And 1 Coulomb gives electrochemical equivalent of substance. Yes, Vedant. ठीक है, ये दोनों n सेम है. आई होप यू नो दिस. Understood. Any doubt to anyone in this? Electricity, salt, mole. 1 Faraday, aluminum chloride, moles of metal we are interested. 1 Faraday, copper sulfate. 1 Faraday, silver nitrate. 1 Faraday, magnesium chloride. 1 Faraday, SnCl4. How much mole will be getting? How much mole will be getting? It will be 3 Faraday, 1 mole. Because charge is plus 3. So 1 by 3 mole. 1 by 3 mole. Any doubt to anyone in this? Any problem to anyone in this? Okay, tell me gram equivalent. Tell me gram equivalent for each case. If you don't know, then gram equivalent is mole into n factor. Basically mole into charge. अगर आपको नहीं पता है तो n जो ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट है वो होता है मोल into चार्ज. For all the tuition. One for all. So it should be very much clear कि क्वेश्चन में क्या पूछा है. मोल पूछा है तो you will get different answer. ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट पूछा है तो you will get 1 1 1 1 1. Understood? At last I will say 1 Faraday of electricity produces 1 gram equivalent of all substances. Understood? Question मोल का भी आता है और इक्विवेलेंट का भी. So it should be very much clear what has been asked. आपसे मोल पूछा है तो आप ये आंसर करोगे, which will be different. और ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट पूछा है तो you will get 1 1 1 1 1. Understood? All of you? All of you understood this? Okay, so that is it for today. Rest we'll do in next class.